One of the prongs on my laptop charger broke off, the positive prong to be exact, and I wanted to try to fix it. So here's what I did. First I cracked it open in half, then I found an old extension cord. I was able to cut off the end of the extension cord. I connected the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative and twisted it up. I plugged it in to see if it worked, and it did. Now I wanted to insulate the wires from touching each other, but I didn't have any electrical tape or any other connectors, so I took a hot glue gun and started hot gluing away. You can skip to 1:45 in the video if you want to skip this part. Now you can see my makeshift cord is plugged into the wall and into my power adapter. And now I'm going to plug my power adapter into my laptop and see if it works again. And it's plugged in, charging. It works. This was pretty easy to do and it saved me a few bucks, so I'm happy with it.